Okay, it's Tuesday, and this morning I'm feeling not quite as tired as I was yesterday morning, although I have been on the computer for a couple hours and my eyes are kind of burning a little bit, so I didn't go over my trades as much this morning as I did yesterday morning. Yesterday was a day where it was a really choppy Monday, and I hit a daily goal, but then I gave back almost half of that off of the top and ended up stopping with a small green day. So today I'd like to just, have another, even if it's a small green day, 2 green days in a row. That's what I'm asking for. Kind of get the confidence built up. And I don't know. CMRX has some news on it. It's a potential for an approval with extensive discussions. It's thickly traded, so is CPIX. This one also has news. It's FDA supplement approval. And then I have one here, VRAR, but it's selling off now. What's ICCT? Oh, it's pretty cheap, but it's really moving. I'm gonna load him up. I don't see any news on it though. But it's definitely on the move. So far, the first one this morning that I've seen, looks like CMRX is actually starting to take off. This one's so cheap, I really don't think I'll even touch it, but alright, so we're open now, 4 o'clock open. Big volume coming in here. Maybe jumped in a little too soon there. That was a big move. Oh, it's a new 1-minute candle. I'm not gonna like the size of this pullback here. Oh boy, she's going. Okay, so it's starting to prove itself. It's up at 269 as a resistance I'd like to buy or sell at. I'm thinking my risk is a little too large on this. Oh. kind of up at that resistance now, so I'm not sure if I want to keep buying it up at this level. Wow, daily gold just like that. I'm going to widen out my risk here. So I don't know, breaking through that resistance. Okay, I'm going to leave that one alone for a second. See what's hitting the scanner here. TRNR. I don't see any news on it. Yeah, there we go. That was a nice burst. I got lucky on that one. I was trying to sell it because I thought it was going to break down, and it just happened to surge up when I hit the sell button. Crazy. Oh. It's really going. Let me see. What do we have on a daily? $3.95. Oh, we're way over that. All the way up here. So there's a level up at $5.98. Well, I'm sitting at $23. I don't know. This one's difficult to trade, I tell you. I'm giving back a little bit of profit off the top. Trading smaller share size here. Should I try this? I don't know. Is it gonna go? I keep taking little tiny losses and little tiny wins. Ah, shit. Nah. Dang it. Oh, I'm gonna... Ah! Crap. That was a big move. So I'm back up to 23. I'm almost thinking about stopping, to be honest with you. I mean, there's some nice momentum here, but... or at least taking a break. I got chewed up on TRNR. This looks like it could be topping out here at $12. Maybe. This one, I instead of taking the bounce off of here, I traded this instead. I wanted to take a bounce here. I wasn't sure if it was going to work out though. Sure would have. It would have worked great. There is some really awesome momentum here, but I'm a little over excited. I don't know about this one. Put in a limit, but limits don't often get filled. I think my share size is way too big here. Yeah, it is. I need to be at half of that. Wow, and it just keeps on going. But I think when it finally fails, it's going to probably flush. Jesus. Big move. See, I've just taken these little tiny shots. I don't like that. I don't want to take little shots. I want to be able to find a place to get in where I can ride the momentum all the way up. So, I'm a little jittery. So if I were to stop right now, I'd be sitting almost at my all-time highs. And I would be a daily goal away from finishing this level. So if I were to stop now, I could hit my hit the end of the level tomorrow. I'm less than $18 away. My fear is like if I keep trading, I might see a day like yesterday where I was up about this much and then I gave back on a big loss. So, I don't know. It's debatable. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do here. This one is pretty extended here. Not to say it won't keep going, but a little pullback, little consolidation here. Really love my hotkeys. I programmed some hotkeys for PreMarket. I love them, and they're so nice. I don't think I want to trade TRNR, even though it's going here. I'm not doing well on it. Oh, and there goes QU. I don't know if I trust this. I mean, it's a nice break. I could take a shot at it. We'll see. Better zoom out on this though. Didn't make a lot of profit on that. Only $1, but my share size is pretty small here. Oh. There we go. 27.11. I wonder what that looks like. So now I'm $15 away. I'm sitting at my all-time highs now. I don't know if I want to keep going. I know this is just, oh, look at this. Look at this here. Yeah. Man, she's still going. Do I want to keep doing it though? Coming up to $14. What is the let me see. QUER. I haven't even looked at the daily level here. Let's see what we have. Okay. Oh, I see. We're in gap fill territory here. 1325 up to 1851. No, oh, got out a little low. That's okay. I mean, she's moving, but gosh. If I wasn't at my daily goal, perhaps I'd be a little more aggressive here, but oh man, I don't know. I don't like the way it's topping out here. Flat top breakout setup. I mean, that's kind of nice. It is a flat top breakout. We're holding the higher lows here on the lower time frame. But honestly, I thought this one was going to be one of those that breaks out and then you get a red candle down and that marks the top, but it didn't do that. So now we have 3 green candles up with a 5-minute candle that's going to close in 2 more minutes. Do I trust this? There's the flush. Okay, coming down. So it didn't like that. It hit 14 and it's flushing down. CMRX is still the leading gapper. Does this one have news on it, the one that I'm looking at right now? I don't... Oh, yes, it does. So it's based out of Amsterdam in the Netherlands. It's a chemical manufacturing. Got some news on it. So pulling back on the 1 minute there. The 5 minute candle's about to close. This one could be at the end of its move for now. Possible head and shoulders here. I still like CPIX. Nice bounce off of the VWAP. But I'm gonna step away, go clear my... Oh, look at this. Look at this. I hate missing out on this, but I feel like I'm getting in too high if I get in way up here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone. It may keep going, but... Okay, I just realized my trades aren't showing up here, and I think I know why. Okay, give it a second, and they should populate. I think I started trading this one right around in here. Curious to see what my trading has looked like this morning. There we go. So just quick little ins and outs here. Took my first trade up here, added there, and that was nice. Every one of them was a win, but very small wins. They actually weren't too small. I mean, I had my share size was too big. I'm almost liking the setup I'm seeing over here. Well, it's kind of got to get over the top of this though. That was one final trade on that one. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of that stock. This one, see this one here, man. This was at 4 o'clock. This was nice. This was one where I wish I would have held for the move all the way up, but I didn't. Yeah. This one's starting to curl around. Alright, there was that final trade. I bought that based on the 15-second chart. It was pulling back at the EMA, so I bought it there and sold it up here. Didn't really make anything on it though. I bought it at 420 and sold it at 426. I didn't see my profit go up much though. Must have been, my share size must have been way too small. Yeah, so definitely if I stop now, tomorrow I could for sure get there with a daily goal. This one might just want to go, I don't know. She's strong. But can it maintain? There's $15. Is this where I take the loss? Yeah. That is where I take the loss. So get back a little bit off the top, not a lot. So now that's where I'm starting to see an upper wick. Tried to catch the dip there. Hold down there, Nelly. Oh there, Nelly. Don't pull back too far. See if she can break this level. There we go. That was nice. Back up to 27-ish. I should have held that probably. Broke through 435. It's got to get over 48. Ah! Did not get filled. Oops, there I did. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to close my trading windows before I get in trouble, but because I don't want to trade anymore. I mean, I know maybe that's probably kind of crazy to say that. But it's been kind of touch and go for me here. But I'm sitting up $30. And I'm going to stop there before I give it back. So I'm up at $188. I only need $12 tomorrow to get to that daily goal. I think I'm green across the board. No, not quite. I am still red on TRNR just by 59 cents. All right, let's do a trade review. So I'm up $30.21, finishing at my high, was never red. Accumulated profit 188.15, sitting at an average of 13.44 per day. So still holding within this kind of range here. And I'm on day 14, so it would be great if tomorrow I could hit that daily goal and finish in 15 days. Imagine that. 15 days per level. Yeah, that'd be great. It's 3 weeks per level. So let's go ahead. Oh, let me actually load full screen on that, so now we can see the whole thing. There we go. That's the whole thing. Did I put... I didn't. This was, let's see, that's December 2nd. This was last week, so I'm going to start updating this week's P&L graphs. Okay, so let's go look at the charts. Look at what I did here. Today is the 10th. And started trading CIPX first thing. Whoops. CPIX. I had that pre-market high at 269, and it was just, it didn't look good. Nothing really looked good going into the 4 o'clock open, but then this one started seeing some volume come into it right here. It's like big volume coming in. This thing was breaking out. I did not hesitate to jump in, and only wish I would have held for the whole move. It actually made it all the way up to 269. So I just actively traded it. Bought a nice little pullback here. This one, you know, that put me up. I think this put me up at my daily goal, or close to it. A little tiny trade here looking for the break, the continuation, but it didn't give it to me. And then I waited, and I saw it come down to 248. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see here. Ah, that's right. 248 is the level I wanted to buy off of, but I was trading TRNR. I was over losing on TRNR instead of trading this. But it came in after the fact. Tried to buy here for that move up, but wasn't giving it to me. So pretty gnarly red candles. A lot of whippiness on this, so it's pretty choppy. Didn't trade it again. Much like what it was here, so I caught the only good move on it, except for back here, but I can't trade that early. So there was that, and then TRNR, the one I started losing on, hit the scanner. I pull it up. I don't think it has news. Maybe it did have news. I think it did. Let me see. Yeah, it's actually got some news on it. Oh, it regains full compliance with the NASDAQ. Oh, that's not okay. Oh, whatever. So 2 green candles up. I didn't know, because remember yesterday with GRRR, the big loss I took on it. I was like, oh man, I don't know how much I trust it, but I went ahead and I jumped in it, and my share size was twice as big as what it should have been. And that's dangerous. I could have taken a big loss. But that had me taking profits pretty quick on this, you know. So I bought the little pullback and sold. A little bit spready, kind of cautious getting in and out. Buying the breakout there, and it's kind of scary for a moment because it was really pulling back. Next candle, surge up. It was a nice win on that. So I was up on it. First trade was red, second trade green, and then I lost here. So this was a pretty good loss. Bought up here and it flushed down. Tried to add on the way down and it just wasn't bouncing, so went into the red by about $5, something like that. Didn't trade it again for a while. Didn't know if I trusted it, but I ended up taking a trade here first when we got above the VWAP. Sold it pretty quick, and then I bought this flush right here. This was a nice flush. It started coming up to 435. I was watching the bid and the ask. I was watching the ask specifically on the price ladder to see if I was watching the bid to see if the bid would get over 435, and on both these attempts it never did. And so you can see this line here. So that's where I was getting in, and it made a nice move, and that got me some profit on that. And then I bought this pullback back to this breakout spot, more profit. And that's when I decided, it almost got me back to green. I'm still down like 56 cents, I think, on it. TRNR, 59 cents. Green on the other two. And that's when I stepped away and said, I'm done. Closed my trading windows. Good thing, too. Look at that. So it's kind of just gone to shit there. Let's take a look at QURE. So this one was kind of smooth. It just went up real smooth. I kept thinking it was gonna fail and pull back. You don't see these kind of moves too often. $10 stock. So I actually, it was going up so smooth. I felt comfortable just buying a breakout there. I think I got in a little too high. I actually got in a couple times and sold it. That was nice. Maybe this is the one where my share size was too big. Yeah, this is the one. My share size was way too big on it. And bought the break over. It broke over 12. I bought a little pullback there and sold pretty quick. I just kept not trusting it, and I should have, I guess, trusted it in hindsight. So far, every trade here is a winner. And then you had the red candle, and I thought this was the top. I thought, well, probably going to see it pull back now after all those candles up. Nope. She broke 13.25. Took a small trade off the top there. Bought the dip. Another dip. Then you get the red candle there. So I didn't trust the break. Hit 14. Failed. Came down and bounced off the EMA. Should have bought that. It's the first back test of the 9 EMA. Would have been a good trade. Did I trade this one again? I thought I took a loss on it. That was a nice break. Yeah, I think right here I took a loss. I believe so. So back here on this one, I thought this was going to be a big green candle up and then a big red candle down, marking the top. And then I kind of thought maybe this one might be too, but since that one didn't, I thought I'd take a chance on this one. This one didn't work out so well. So I took a loss on that, and then I didn't trade it again. It did mark the top, but it wasn't the big red candle coming down. And now it's consolidating. And that is that. So that's how I made $30 today. I want to take a look here before I go. So CMRX is still the leading gapper, and it's actually moving now. It's getting some volume in it. The thing I didn't like about it though is it's thickly traded. Now that it's moving, it looks pretty good, but I still don't know that I would trade it. Oh, maybe I would. Maybe I would if I was still trading. CPIX, that second leading gapper, the one I made the money on this move. It's all choppy now. PBM, first time I've seen this one today. It's got news on it. Big drop though. Big drop. QUR, of course, that's the one I just traded. Consolidating now. Looks like 15-minute consolidation might be underway. NAMS, oh Vietnam's. CRDF. It's got news on it. It's starting to move. Trying to get over 350. It's got some work to do. TRNR, it's sold off. So not bad. Pre-market did pretty good here. I'm happy with that. So I don't see anything else. What's on this this one here? Yeah, this doesn't look good. I was looking at this one earlier, but it's sold off. Soar. Yep, nothing else right now. I guess that's the end of my day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and try to finish out this level 2 or this level 1 and get to level 2. That would be amazing. Start seeing some bigger dollars flowing in. I think I'm gonna set my next goal. Look at CPIX. It's attempting here. We might see another big breakout. It might happen. Yeah, but I think on my let's see, level 1 I start with $20 on a daily goal, but I think I'm gonna go to 50. The only reason I don't do $25 daily goal is because it's hard to split it in half. Because you get a yeah. So yeah, I think I'll go to 50. So I'll be shooting for $50 a day. So based on my average now, that'll be about $30 average per day. Get through that, and then I'll go to 100 going up. And obviously I'm getting better at trading, so I think I'm gonna have bigger days where I want to get my average up to $20 a day, whereas now it's at 13, 14. We'll see. Out we go.